Achieve your dream of becoming a pharmacist without disrupting your busy life at the College of Pharmacy at the University of North Texas Health Science Center in Fort Worth. You aren't content with just being a number. You're exceptional, and you need the unparalleled flexibility of the all-new FlexPharmD program. You want to be taught by the best of the best in a mix of online and on-campus environment where professors want to know you. You want the flexibility to complete courses on your own time with control of how much time you're needed on campus. You want outstanding state-of-the-art facilities that prepare you for the future, not just for today, that prepare you for a world of pharmacy careers. And with high employment and residency match success, the College of Pharmacy is where you need to be. But you want to stand out amongst your peers. That's why your focused on-campus days will provide you with exceptional hands-on experience, cutting-edge research opportunities, personalized mentorship, and customizable learning opportunities for dual degrees, MS programs, certificates, and more that will help find the best career path for you. You want the opportunity to engage with students from across different health professions and more than 25 student organizations on a truly interprofessional, collaborative campus. You'll thrive at a university where your faculty and staff are just steps away, ready to help when you need it. All in the heart of a lively, world-class museum and entertainment district. And you want all of this with limited days on campus, where you'll experience a greater work-life balance, all while having the ability to save time and money on your own terms. Plus, with over $1 million in scholarships awarded, on top of competitive tuition and fees, we have a place for you. A place where you'll be mentored by faculty and alumni, guided throughout your entire pharmacy school journey by student navigators. A place that cares about you and your future as a whole. The revolutionary FlexPharmD program. Limited on-campus days. Unlimited opportunities. Elevate your pharmacy education today at HSC College of Pharmacy in Fort Worth.